Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix it. Safari cannot open the page because it could not establish a secure connection to the server. So guys, when you try to open any website on Safari and facing this type of issue again and again, I'll help you how can you fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you need to open your settings. Click on Wi-Fi, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this you need to go back. And guys, now you need to click on general and click on VPN and device management. So guys, you have to disconnect your VPN if connected, and after doing this you have to go back. So guys, now you need to click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset your network settings. And guys, after this you need to scroll up and you need to update your device to iOS 18 or later. And guys, after doing this you have to go back. So guys, now you have to check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, no need to worry, you have to scroll it down, and here you will see the option of apps. Click on it, and now you need to find Safari here. So guys, as you can see, open your Safari app here and you need to scroll it down. And now you will see clear history and website data. You have to click on it and click on all history, and you need to clear history. And after this you need to scroll it below, and here you will see the option of advanced. And now you need to scroll it down, and here you need to open the option of feature flags. Click on it and you need to scroll at the bottom, and here you can see the option of reset all to defaults. You have to reset it. And guys, after doing all these settings, your problem will be fixed. And guys, after doing all these method, if still not fix your problem, then no need to worry, you have to open Apple Sport, and now you need to select your gadget here. So guys, as you can see, you need to wait for some seconds to open your Apple Sport app. And guys, now you need to open your gadget here, scroll it down, click on more, and now you need to find here Safari. So guys, as you can see, click on Safari, and now you need to scroll it down, click on call. And guys, you need to call at these numbers, tell them your problem, and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.